Hey guys, today I will show you how to download Anaconda on your system. If you have different window, just like Windows 11 and Windows 10, you will download Python for Python programming. So we will go to the website. I will show you how to download Python programming language. So, what is Python and what is Anaconda? Anaconda is a popular distribution of the Python programming language that include many useful packages for data science, machine learning, and scientific computing. It is also includes a package and environment manager, allowing user to easily install and manage package and dependencies. So you will program in Python, uh, you have Anaconda on your system. So I will show you how to install Anaconda packages for your system, Windows will and Windows 11 system. So first of all, you go to the your favorite browser, just like I have Windows I have a Internet Explorer. I will show you how to download. First of all, you go to the Google. First of all, you go to the Google, and I will show to right here. First of all, you go to the Google and you write down the Anaconda Python, and this windows appear, and this will show to Anaconda distribution. You will click on this link. This will pop up you on the Anaconda distribution. So here is Anaconda website. So first of all, you see here the icon. This is show you the window icon. So you have a different version. If you have a Windows 11, you have a Windows 10, so you can download on. And otherwise, you have a different platform. Just like you have a Linux, you have a Apple, you have a Windows. So I am using Windows 11. So I will click this button to the download. This take time for download. So when you click download button, this pop-up is appear, and this shows that you can download your Anaconda distribution on your system. So I will click start downloading. This take a time. It is dependent on your internet speed. I have also this Anaconda version on my system, so I will pass this with this download, and I will show you to my system. So this is I will download already for this video, making this video. This is Anaconda. So you can install on your system Anaconda for Python programming. You can double click in this system. This is Windows appear. So you will go to the next option and see the license agreement. If you are agree in license agree, if you agree with this terms and conditions, then you will agree. Then this is show you the if you are using Anaconda for you. If I will go to this option, I click on all user, so you will go to the next option. Yes, and this shows you where you install Anaconda on your system. This shows you the drive. I will go to the default location. If you have another drive, another partition, you can browse and you can choose your location to the install. I will go default setting, then you will do the next, and this shows the registration Anaconda as a system Python 3.0. When I will record this video, I have a 3.9 version. Don't you check it. uh, Second option is show to the aid Anaconda to the system path environment. So this shows that this is not recommended. You can leave it and install. This is take a time when you install Anaconda on your system. So this is you show you my Anaconda is installed, and Anaconda is the other thing is in Anaconda there is a various tool in available just like a Jupyter, Spider, IDE. So we use the Anaconda for the Jupyter in Python and Spider also. So my installation is completed. You see in my screen. I will do the next and finish. If you want to learn about Python, or if you learn about the Anaconda distribution tutorial, so you will check this options. Start Anaconda with these tool is the help for you to learn Anaconda distribution tutorial. So I will go to the check on this, and if you not interested to uncheck this option, I will check and I will finish. So this is Anaconda distribution. You will see I will install successfully. So how to run Anaconda I will show you. When you come into the search option, you write Anaconda Navigator. So here is my Anaconda Navigator. If you want to go to the Anaconda Navigator, so you can click in this option. There is other options also. This is Anaconda prompt, Spider Anaconda, Jupyter. I will go to the Anaconda prompt. So I will click on this. This is show me Anaconda prompt window. If you go, I will go to the so you see that this is my Anaconda prompt. I will show you how to check Python version. So you can type uh, so you can type Python. I will show you, and so this is my prompt. This is my prompt, Anaconda prompt. So I will show you how to check your Python version. Python /version. This is show you currently when I will make this video. This is Python 3.9.13 version. Yes, you also check the Conda version. So I will show you how to I will show you how to check Conda also. So also you check the Conda version, Conda info. So this is show you the version of Condo. This is show you Conda version. So Conda version is when I'm making this video to 22.9.0 versions on this window. So this is Conda versions. Uh, if you have some question about what is Anaconda, Conda is the open Conda.
and then press enter.
So we are going to show you how to run Jupyter. So I will show you how to I will show you how to run Jupyter. So Jupy Jupyter Notebook. There's various things I will show you how to run Jupyter Notebook. I will show you first of all how to run Jupyter Notebook in the Anaconda prompt. So you can enter. This is window appear the Anaconda Jupyter. So you see, this is the Jupyter Notebook, and this is the local host Jupyter Notebook, and you will run your Python program on this platform. This is, I hope you will understand how to install Anaconda and how to run Jupyter Notebook on your system. In next video, I will show you how to run Python program on your system. So this is end for this video, and I will make another video for you to how to run a Python program on Jupyter Notebook.